In today's trading session, we go funded account hunting. We are full porting accounts. I got the shirt on and I'm ready to go. It was a wild emotional roller coaster, from blowing accounts to having technical difficulties that caused me to miss trades. Will I actually get the funded account by the end of the video? Time will only tell. So if you enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure to check out all the best discounts on all the best prop firms down below and join our free trading community, which is the world's first free community designed exactly like the top prop firms on Wall Street to improve your trading. So feel free to join that down below. And with that being said, enjoy the video. All right, traders, market is about to open here. Actually, just opened. I got my gambling shirt on today. If you don't know, that means that I'm looking to full port accounts, because Apex Trader Funding has finally brought back their 80% off sale. Use code ST to take advantage of that. It's 80% off, $50 resets, and $85 activation fee. It's like pretty much the cheapest it can get. So I bought some accounts to full port because it's like I pay $30 for the account, and then I full port it, and I pay $80 to activate the account. That's like basically paying, $100 for an instant funded account, essentially, if you can actually full port successfully. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And then of course I'm also going to be trading my regular accounts alongside it. So today's probably going to be pretty hectic. I'm still sick. I'm drinking some tea. Market's open here, so let's see what happens. As usual, let's review the morning game plan. And as usual, if you're not in this Discord creating your own morning game plan, creating your own trade recaps, then guess what? You're probably not going to make it as a trader. I'm just keeping it real. You got to do it. I'm telling you, you got to do it to be a good trader. It's what all of the professionals do. Okay. Morning game plan 10/23/2025. NQ has found some support and seems to be in recovery mode. Okay, so here's the hourly chart. So it seems to be in recovery mode for now. We just took out some liquidity at the 24,960 area, and it seems to be reacting positively to that. I will be looking for longs all day unless that low is taken again. So what I'm saying is, essentially, when we take a look at the hourly chart here, you can see that we had this big move lower into this area of demand, and that was because of this big 4-hour area of supply being tested, technically a 4-hour order zone, bearish order zone. Okay, so very bearish move there, but now we're in a little bit of a bounce mode. Okay, so what I'm looking for is longs essentially up to these highs and potentially even beyond, before continuing lower. Potentially, we'll see. But yeah, I can't be short knowing that we've just taken this low after also holding this area of demand. So I'm going to be looking for longs. That's essentially all I'm going to be doing today, unless we keep moving lower and break through that 24,960 area. So market just opened. Let's see how things play out. Probably just going to run a time lapse here and wait for a setup. All right, so looking at this hourly chart, you can clearly see that that liquidity is holding pretty well. We have a really strong candle here. So I would assume that we can reach these highs, at least close to those highs. So I am going to definitely stay long bias for now, but we're pretty much just going straight up, which is not ideal. All right, so we're literally going just straight up in a straight line here, almost already at the highs here, which makes things a little bit more difficult for me, because I wanted to get long up to those highs. Now that we're going to be at those highs, getting long is a little bit more risky, because we can always take out those highs and reverse right back down, all the way down pretty hard. So it's all going to be dependent on what we do with these highs. If we reject these highs, then I might start to look for short opportunities, and if we just blow right past them, then I'll just stick to long, and we may see a retest of that bigger order zone on the 4-hour time frame, all the way back up around 25,240. All right, so this area is actually kind of being absorbed here, 25,160 area, and on the 15-minute time frame, this is kind of a bearish order zone. I usually wouldn't trade the 15-minute time frame. This is full port. I'm full port. I'm just looking for a crazy trade to take. Because we have nothing else. I'm not trading today. I'm gambling. I'm gambling today, not trading. All right, I'm going to try a full port short here. One full port short to go, please. 50 contracts short. And all I need is 3K, right? All I need is 3K. Very risky. Would never take this trade in a real account. This thing is still squeezing higher, which is not good for a full port short. Let's see. Only have, what, 2.5K drawdown? So this doesn't have much room. I'm just shaking in my boots, if you can't tell. This thing is definitely showing some strength here. It's not giving up. Might need to see a much bigger move higher before the shorts actually take control here. Alright, so that's one account blown. I might just keep trying to short this down, as stupid as it is. This is the type of move that you can catch a big drop. A quick move. Right back up. Wow. That's not looking good. Looks like it's just going to go right back up to highs. There's news. Okay. Wow. There's no way, dude. There is no way it took me out there and is now reversing. There's no way. Wow. And it took me out there not because I had a stop loss there, but because I guess that was a 2K loss? I'm confused. Wait, it took me out at minus $800. Is it because I was trading news? There was a orange folder news. Are you kidding me? Can you not trade orange folder news on Apex? This is news to me. Alright, so I just went and bought a new Apex account. Unfortunately, the short was up here, and the time it took me to get that new Apex account, after they screwed me over with liquidating me prematurely. I mean, it's probably a rule that I just didn't know about. But now, you know, the short's kind of gone, so. Okay. So we had a little flush down and right back up. Now we're getting to the 25-200 area. This is the area where I would not normally take a trade, but I'm a little bit stubborn today. So watching closely at this 190 area, 195 area. You can watch the book map with me here. So you can see all the orders are kind of right there at 198. So let's see what happens when price gets there. Okay. I'm full porting short, my last full port of the day. And let's see what happens. Going against the trend. Just saw the those orders get filled and a rejection, so YOLO, right? YOLO. Okay. If we can get a bigger move than that, that would make me happy. Please, I need this today after everything that's gone wrong. I'm begging the market gods. No trades on my normal accounts. Literally have only taken full port trades today on Apex accounts, throwaway accounts essentially. So reason I have a stop loss here is not because it's an actual stop loss, it's just so I can put it to break even if I need to. But if it does stop me out, it's going to be because it takes out the entire account. All right, there we go. Come on. Come on, give me that account. I deserve it. Give me that account. Give me that account. Give me that funded. Give me that funded. Give me that funded. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, there's the power of Bookmap for entry timing. We saw the orders get filled. We saw the rejection happen. I feel like we should get the funded off of this trade. Should get at least a little bit of a flush down here. At least like 160s area. Only need $1,000 more in profit to get that funded. I mean, at this point, I will go to a break even. Okay, come on. I'll put an order over here just in case we really start moving. Almost to that 3,000 mark. Boom. Give me that. Give me that.
Bro, you don't know what to do with that. Give me that.
All right. So that's one PA after freaking 2 blown accounts. The shirt pays off today. Usually I have terrible days when I wear the shirt, and we almost did today. But we came back. Still sick, by the way. So no trades on the, non-full port accounts. So no P&L there. But on the full port accounts, I did clear 1 eval, blew 2. Unfortunately, should have blown just 1 and had 2 PAs by now, but it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not in the free Discord, once again, it is a free community that is designed like the best prop firms on Wall Street to improve you as a trader. So join the free Discord. If you want to check out the prop firms that I use and all of their best discounts, check out the links in the description down below, as well as, of course, Bookmap. You can get 20% off with code SIMPLE20. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.